Imagine a world where the articles you read, the music you listen to, even the images you see are all crafted not by human hands but by artificial intelligence. This isn't a concept from a distant future or a science fiction novel. It's happening right here, right now. Artificial intelligence is weaving its threads into the very fabric of our digital lives, creating content that is as engaging as compelling and in some cases as controversial as that produced by human creators. Take for instance the case of Claudia. A name that might sound familiar, yet Claudia is not a person, but an artificial intelligence creation. This AI model was selling images online, sparking debates about consent and ethics in the digital realm. It doesn't stop there. AI is generating articles, influencing search engine rankings, and even creating music. It has become so sophisticated that distinguishing between content created by humans and machines is becoming a challenge. This is the reality we live in, where AI-generated content is becoming an integral part of our digital existence. Now, let's delve into the benefits that AI-generated content brings to our world. Firstly, we have efficiency. AI can work round the clock, producing content at a rate that's impossible for humans. For example, AI can generate thousands of unique product descriptions for an e-commerce site in a fraction of the time it would take a human writer. Secondly, there's consistency. AI doesn't have bad days or coffee breaks. It produces a steady stream of high-quality content that maintains a consistent tone and style. This is particularly useful in brand communications, where maintaining a consistent voice is key. Next up is scalability. As your content needs grow, AI can easily keep up. Whether you need 10 blog posts or 10,000, AI can deliver. This scalability is being utilized across various sectors. For instance, in healthcare, AI is used to generate patient reports, while in education, it's leveraged to create personalized learning materials. The fourth pro is customizability. AI can tailor content to suit specific audiences or platforms. For instance, it can generate a formal report for a business audience and a casual blog post for millennials, all from the same source material. This kind of customizability is enhancing marketing strategies, allowing businesses to reach diverse audiences effectively. Finally, we have accessibility. AI has democratized content creation, making it accessible to everyone. You don't need to be a skilled writer or designer to create high-quality content. With AI, anyone can generate professional-grade content at the click of a button. This has opened up new opportunities for individuals and small businesses, leveling the playing field in content creation. Indeed, the benefits of AI-generated content are numerous and far-reaching. However, as with all technologies, AI-generated content has its drawbacks. Let's delve into 5 of these cons. Firstly, there's the lack of human touch. AI can generate content, but it lacks the ability to understand context in the way humans do. It can't detect nuances or subtleties in language, and it doesn't have the capacity to engage with human emotions, truly. Next up, potential misuse. In the wrong hands, AI can be used to create misleading or harmful content. Remember Claudia, the AI-generated model that caused quite a stir on Reddit? That's a prime example of AI's potential for misuse. Thirdly, we have quality concerns. For instance, Google's recent helpful content update has seen a surge in AI-generated content, often at the expense of high-quality, original, human-created content. Many site owners have reported a significant drop in their website rankings as AI-generated content takes precedence. The fourth con is ethical considerations. AI can generate content without needing to consider ethical implications. This could lead to a proliferation of content that is potentially harmful, misleading, or offensive. Remember, AI mimics what it's taught, and if it's fed with unethical data, it will produce unethical content. Finally, there's the dependence on data. AI is only as good as the data it's fed. If the data is biased, flawed, or incomplete, the content generated will reflect these shortcomings. These challenges remind us that while AI offers many advantages, it's not without its pitfalls. It's essential to remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement for human creativity and judgment. It can help us create content more efficiently, but it can't replace the unique insights, experiences, and perspectives that human creators bring to the table. As we navigate this technologically advanced world, it's important to weigh the pros and cons of AI-generated content. In our journey today, we've delved into the heart of this fascinating and somewhat controversial topic. We've seen how AI-generated content is revolutionizing industries, from the creation of virtual personalities like Claudia to the ways ChatGPT is storming into classrooms, hospitals, and marketing departments. The benefits are undeniable: cost-effectiveness, efficiency, and the ability to generate vast amounts of content in a short span of time. Yet, we've also explored the darker side of this technological marvel, the controversy surrounding Google's helpful content update and the subsequent flurry of AI content crowding out human-written material. The concerns around authenticity, plagiarism, and the devaluation of original content. Moreover, the ethical debates are as heated as ever. Questions of consent and harm in the adult entertainment industry, the risks of startups misusing generative AI, and the challenge of distinguishing between human and machine-generated content. These are all pressing issues we need to grapple with. As we continue to interact with and rely on AI-generated content, we must remain mindful of its potential and its pitfalls. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of AI-generated content. The future is here, and it's written, spoken, and even visualized by artificial intelligence. It's an exciting yet complex landscape that we're navigating together. As we conclude, let's continue this conversation. What do you think about the implications of AI-generated content? How will it shape our world? Share your thoughts and let's learn from each other. After all, in this era of AI, human connection is more important than ever. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notifications bell. Thanks, and see you in the next video.